Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to hide posts or mark posts that you are not interested in. So this is a good idea to do to start to clean up your LinkedIn feed, especially if you start to see a lot of stuff you're just really not interested in. So there are a couple of different options. So LinkedIn will show you ads like this one. So if you're getting shown ads that you're really not interested in, you can teach LinkedIn what you don't like. So I can click on the three dots and I can click on hide or report this ad. So, and then you can tell LinkedIn why. You can say it's annoying and you're not interested or you've seen it too often. So you can click on one of those, click submit, and you won't get shown that ad again. So if it's someone's particular post, so let's say this one, for example, I can click on the three dots again, just like with the ad, but this time it will say not interested. So you can just click on not interested, and again, LinkedIn will ask you for a reason. So you can just say either you're not interested in the author or you've seen it before or one of those reasons, and then click submit, and you shouldn't see posts like that again. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.